I have a feeling that this girl is punishing me, not with fist, not with fire, but with silence, with promise that hang like low clouds, too heavy to rain, too stubborn to break. She calls, says, come through, and I do. Hat in hand, hope dressed in cologne and clean shoes, I show up again and again and again, but she never does. She's a ghost with perfect reception, always online, never present. She's a queen of maybe, of I'm just around the corner, of I swear I want to, but only enough to keep me near, never enough to make it real. Still, I'm always quick to forgive her. As if forgiveness is a reflex, as if my time is not sacred, as if waiting for her is some kind of penance. For wanting something as simple as connection, she disappears and I raise the clock. Tell myself she's busy, tell myself she's shy, tell myself this time the moon wasn't right. But she's becoming a burden, a soft chain, a whisper that wraps around my neck every time I hear my phone buzz. I'm not in love with her, I'm in love with the idea that one day this dance might lead to something real, something more than blue ticks and missed meetups. And the truth, I wanted her to want me, wanted her lips, her skin, the warmth she kept promising but never delivered. She dangles desire like a prize, just close enough to chase, just far enough to miss. But I'm tired. Tired of playing therapist to my own expectations. Tired of lying to myself, of dressing up to rejection and calling it fate. I can't keep forgiving her for not showing up and I'm the one abandoning me. Because love, real love, doesn't leave you stranded in your own anticipation. Doesn't make you feel like a fool for believing in a rival. So I'm moving on. No applause, no grand goodbye, just silence. The kind she taught me. I'm reclaiming my time, my self-worth, my Saturdays. And if she calls again, I won't answer, not out of spite but out of healing. This is not revenge, this is release.